Hello everybody, Toby here again with a 216 custom auto restoration, 59 El Camino. Just want to touch on something real quick. Sanding this with a 600 wet. This will be the final sand on this vehicle. But there's also, a few tricks to doing this. So if you get the car wet, hopefully you might point out some imperfection. If there's any dings or something that I've missed, you might be able to see them down the side of the car. If you look at the hood here, that light under there would hopefully reflect any dings. And if you spray down the side of the car, like I'm going to do here in a second. Spraying this car to get any dust off of it. We can look down the side of the vehicle here. At this point, I don't see anything that really pops out to me. Looks like it's pretty smooth. Which in turn means hopefully I did a fairly decent job of block sanding the vehicle and catching all the little things and whatnot. But anyway, that's just another little tip to try to help you out. Get the car wet, look at it really closely, even take a bright light, walk down the sides of it. This is the other side here, passenger side. I don't see anything that needs attention, so crossing my fingers and hoping that it turned out good. Like I said, this car is going to be black. 90% of the car is going to be black, so it's got to be straight, it's got to be flat. Okay, well, everybody, thank you for watching again. Toby with 216 Custom Auto Restoration, signing out. Thank you for watching. Take care.